In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create alternate position view. Alternate position view is displaying a configuration of a model superimposed on another configuration of the model. So that means that alternate position view illustrates the range of movements within an assembly. For example, with alternate position view, we can show a different configuration of the assembly on the same drawing sheet. So we have this assembly, and this is one configuration. We can show here another configuration, and we have two options. We can show existing configuration, and we can create a new configuration. So let's show how this works. So let's go to View Layout, and let's go to Alternate Position View. First, we have to select a drawing view. Let's select this one. And now we have here configuration. We can choose between new configuration and existing configuration. First, we're gonna go with existing configuration that I created previously. So let's choose here configuration C. And let's click OK. And now we see that this is configuration C. And now, for example, we have to measure the angle between this line and this line. And if we go to Notation, Smart Dimension, we can click on this line and we can click on this line. And it doesn't work. So we have to create two center lines. So let's go to Sketch, Center Line, and let's create a first center line here, like this. And let's create another one here, like this. And let's go to Smart Dimension, and now we can measure angle here, like this. And OK. And this is how you can show two configurations, existing configurations, on the same drawing sheet in the same view. But now we're going to show how we can create a new configuration. So let's go to View Layout. Let's go to Alternate Position View. Let's click on this view, and here we have new configuration. Let's click here, and let's call this configuration configuration D. And let's click OK. And now we go directly to the assembly file. Here we can rotate this, and we can create a new configuration by rotating this. So now we're going to define a new configuration, but before we do so, let's turn on collision. So let's go here, Options, and Collision Detection on. And now let's rotate this part, and let's collide here. And let's click OK. And now we have a new configuration A here. And now we show with one drawing view 3 different configurations of the assembly. And this is how you can use alternate position view.